The Windows registry, why and where does it exist? Was talking to a friend about the registry and realized I couldn't remember the issues Microsoft was trying to solve that brought it into being. I know it had something to do with too many different programs storing their preferences in too many different places/ways, but as I said that it didn't seem like a very strong argument. There must be a better reason. Part B of the question is, how is the registry stored that it is so slow to search? It seems that no matter how fast your processor is or how fast your hard disk is, I just got an Intel SSD, it still takes seconds to search the registry of a Virgin XP system, about as long as it took 10 years ago. What fantastic technology enables this aspect of Windows to be immune to CPU and storage progress? Clarification: I think most people have misinterpreted my question. It seems to me, and I could be completely wrong, that it takes almost as long to do a registry search now as it did a decade ago, which I find surprising given the advances in processing speed. I'm not advocating registry editing, although I've ended up doing more of it than I ever expected over the years, and I'm not complaining that it takes too long. I'm just curious about why the search speed hasn't seemed to scale with processing power over the last 10 years or so. I realized that the registry is like this odd black box to me, hence this question.
The Wikipedia is very good for such details. Read Windows registry, equivalents in other operating systems onwards. To learn more on how the registry works, read Mark Rasinovich's excellent notes at Inside the Registry, article from Windows NT magazine. Recent, the case of the temporary registry profiles. There is also a coding horror article for another viewpoint. Was the Windows registry a good idea? Also read the comments there.
Registry is stored in multiple files. There is pretty good description with locations on Wikipedia. Search is not slow if you use it as intended. It is indexed based on value names and path to them, so loading and saving values is fast. Searching through all of content is something it was never intended to do, and maintenance cost for a free index would be too high for something that is not standard use case.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.